Hello and welcome to another video German for beginners in 5 minutes. So this time it's about going to a public swimming pool. And at first we start with some phrases and vocabulary in general about buying tickets, and then we go to the vocabulary for the public swimming pool. So if you want to buy, for example, 2 tickets, you would say in English, I would like to buy 2 tickets. In German, this would mean, ich würde gerne 2 Tickets kaufen. 2. Ich würde gerne 2 Tickets kaufen. If you just want to buy 1 ticket, it would be, ich würde gerne ein Ticket kaufen. If you want to buy 3 tickets, it would be, ich würde gerne 3 Tickets kaufen. 4 Tickets, ich würde gerne 4 Tickets kaufen. If you want to pay with credit card, kann ich mit Kreditkarte zahlen. If you want to ask if you can buy with credit card. Könnte ich bitte die Rechnung haben? If you want to have the bill or the invoice. Wie viel kostet das? How much does it cost? If you want to know how much does it cost. So if you want to ask for a ticket for an open air swimming pool, you can say, könnte ich ein Ticket für das Freibad erhalten? If you want to buy a ticket for the indoor swimming pool, you can say, can I get a ticket for the indoor swimming pool? Könnte ich ein Ticket für das Hallenbad erhalten? So now some random vocabulary that is related to a swimming pool. So they're the Schwimmflügel, water wings. If you want to dive with diver eyeglasses, it's the Taucherbrille. Then there's the slide. You can have fun sliding on the Rutsche. Then you can jump off the diving board and Sprungbrett oder Sprung vom Sprungturm. If you want to change, you go to the changing room, the Umkleidekabine. And if you want to put your things away, you can use the locker, the Schließfach. So now a verb. Swimming, schwimmen. Ich schwimme, du schwimmst, es schwimmt. Ich weiß nicht, ob es schwimmt, aber wir schwimmen, ihr schwimmt, sie schwimmen. Now some exercises. What do you see now? Here's the solution, the diver eyeglasses. And what do you see now? Here's the solution, the water wings. Do you see now? Here's the solution, the locker. 40.